Hello everyone, welcome to another video of this course. In this video, we shall be talking about tools. In this course, we are going to use different graphics design tools to design world-class user interfaces together. The main software which we are going to use is called Figma, which is available for both Mac OS and Windows. You can even use it on your browser without installation. Furthermore, you do not need to pay for it. It is totally free. The other tools that you will learn about are Spline, Dribble, and Adobe Photoshop. We will also talk about useful websites such as Vectory and Behance. Other useful tools we will be talking about and looking at are Pips, which is used to create interactive 3D avatars, Sapiens, which is a character builder app and library. If you do not have any of the above mentioned software, make sure to install them before starting the course. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.